This is a person. They are people. Who is this person? This person is Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith is the father of John. Mrs. Smith is the mother of John. Mr. and Mrs. Smith are the parents of John, Helen, and the baby. Who are these people? They are John, Helen, and the baby. John is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Helen is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. The baby is also the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Helen and the baby are the daughters of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. John is the son. John is also the brother. John is the brother of Helen and the baby. Helen and the baby are sisters. They are the sisters of John. They are also the daughters of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Who is the father in the family? Mr. Smith is the father in the family. Is Mrs. Smith the father in the family? No, Mrs. Smith is the mother in the family. Who are the children in the family? John, Helen, and the baby are the children. How many parents are there in the family? There are 2 parents. Mr. and Mrs. Smith are the parents. John, Helen, and the baby are not the parents. They are children. They are not children. They are not people. They are cats. They are people. They are a family. There are 5 people in the family. The family is big. They. A. They. They. Parents. Pair. Pair. Ents. Ents. Parents. Daughter. 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 Son. 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 Brother. 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 Der. Brother. Brother. Sister. 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 Who. 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 Of. Of. V. V. Of. Of.